In this video, you'll learn how to bold text in Google Keep so your most important notes stand out clearly and are easier to scan later. We'll go step by step, slowly enough that you can follow along on your own screen, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make any part of a note bold. First, make sure you're on a computer with a web browser open. Google Keep works in most modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type keepgoogle.com and press enter. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Google Keep dashboard with all of your existing notes. Next, open the note where you want to use bold text. You can do this by clicking on an existing note from your list or by creating a new one. To create a new note, click in the area that says something like Take a Note. Give your note a title if you'd like, then click into the main body of the note where you type your content. Now, type the text that you want to format or locate the existing text inside the note that you want to make bold. When you're ready to format, you'll need to highlight that specific portion of text. To highlight text, place your cursor at the beginning of the word or sentence, click and hold, then drag across to the end of the part you want bolded. Release the mouse button, and you should see that section of text selected with a background highlight. With your text highlighted, look for the formatting toolbar that appears. In Google Keep's web version, this toolbar usually shows up at the bottom of the note or just above the text once you're in editing mode. On that toolbar, find the B icon, which stands for bold. It typically looks just like a capital letter B in a slightly thicker style than the rest of the text. Click the B icon once while your text is still highlighted. You should immediately see the selected text change to a bolder, thicker appearance. If the change doesn't appear right away, make sure the text is still selected and click the B button again. After you've applied bold to your text, click anywhere outside of the selected text area within the note. This might mean clicking at the end of the sentence or clicking in a blank space in the note. This step confirms your changes and lets you continue editing the rest of the note normally. At this point, your selected text is now bold. You'll notice it stands out from the regular text around it, which makes it perfect for headings, key ideas, dates, or action items you don't want to miss. If you ever change your mind, you can remove the bold by highlighting the same text again and clicking the B icon one more time to toggle it off. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to bold text in Google Keep using the web version, from opening your note, highlighting your text, using the bold button, and confirming the change so your important information is easy to spot at a glance.